So I'm gonna quickly show you how to make something really delicious with the Dollar Tree aluminum plates. Of course, with the air fryer.
Yo, these cute little T-bone steaks right here, they're lamb chops.
So being that I forgot to buy limes, I'm just gonna quickly use apple cider vinegar. It does the same thing, and it works. Just rub them together. That's pretty much it.
After that, of course, you know, my Dollar Tree hack.
You can make everything on this. Y compro par de paquetes que vienen en 3. Oíste.
Spray it. Today, I wanted a little spicy, so I got this from Costco. It's sriracha. It's gonna put some salt.
I totally forgot to add the fact that I did add a little bit of soy sauce, but you'll see when I do. Soy sauce actually gives it a nice little taste to it too. And there goes the soy sauce. Now, after that I have preheated the air fryer for about 10 minutes, we're gonna put the lamb chops in there for 10 minutes. Usually put them 5 to 6 minutes on each side. But being that I already preheated it for a little bit longer than 10 minutes, it's really hot in there, so look how beautiful these chops look. Since I like mine pink in the inside, that's what he said. You could leave them in there for 5 to 6 minutes, but if you like it well done, you could actually leave it for a little more. Now, I'm just hoping this avocado's in good shape. Oh, great. No, definitely not. Okay, now let's check on these bad boys. Look how beautiful these came out. Guaynimay certified. So I don't use any cooking mist, but with the Dollar Tree aluminum plate hack, you could just take it out quickly and it doesn't even burn your fingers.
Because I don't want to just leave it just rice and lamb chops. I'm actually gonna add asparagus, which is my favorite vegetable. You guys should know this already. So this is what my dinner looks like. And since I can't find my cuchillos right now, we're gonna use this one, okay? Do not judge me. Cutting nice and mira. Listen, if you don't like your steak to look like this, I don't know what to tell you, but that's how I like it, especially lamb. Mira qué lindo quedó eso, mira. Look how beautiful lamb chops. I got this from Costco. This is just leftover rice. This is from Costco, my favorite, you already know. These are some old avocados that, you know, I got to revive them a little bit. That's why they don't look too pretty, but it is what it is. This is my dinner for